Hello everyone. We are Team Technocrats and our project is titled Detection of Open Crust Mining Activity and 3D Visualization. Open crust mining is one of the major causes of environmental degradation, including deforestation and land distortion. Currently, monitoring mining activities is mostly manual and time consuming, making it difficult to detect illegal mining operations quickly. With the rise of remote sensing technologies and freely available satellite data, there is a growing need for an automated and intelligent system that can detect mining activity, estimate its volume and depth, and visualize it in 3D. We are building a web based software tool that automatically detects mining areas using satellite imagery and DEM data. Our system can identify and dealienate active mining zones using machine learning based image classification. We can compare detected areas with authorized mining boundaries to highlight illegal mining outside the permitted area. It can calculate depth and volume using DM differencing and Simpson's rule. It can visualize the terrain in an interactive 2D and 3D environment, showing how the land surface has changed. Automatically generate a PDF report summarizing area statistics, volume estimates, and 3D visuals for submission to authorities. Now, for the technology stack, our system is built using a hybrid MERN plus Python architecture. For front end, we have used React.js, Mapbox.gl, and CZM.js for 2D or 3D visualization. For backend, we have used Node.js plus Express API handling and communication. For AI/ML engine, we have used Python Fast API with GDAL Rasterio and TensorFlow for image processing and detection. And for database, we have used MongoDB Atlas for storing results, metadata, and reports. For deployment, we have used Dockerized services on AWS for scalability and reliability. Now you all must be wondering, what impact does our solution make? So, our solution enables real-time data-driven monitoring of mining areas, empowering government agencies to detect and stop illegal mining early. It enforces mining boundaries effectively and supports sustainable resource management. It's a scalable, cloud based, and automated tool that bridges AI, GIS, and remote sensing, ensuring technology works for environmental protection. Thank you.